Horn is our Mount Everest. It's fantastic. It is, and every time you go around Cape Horn, your heart is a little bit extra beating, and you can feel the historical moments of this place that for hundreds and hundreds of years all the seamen that have been fighting like crazy to get around this cape. It's fantastic. It's undescribable almost. That's the main reason why you want to go back Cape Horn.
You can't see it from the video, but I can assure you they're huge. And there's some quite big squalls around as well. There's 35 knots established and 45 in the squalls. Take me home! I want to go home! I've had enough! Yay! 200 miles from Cape Horn, we're nearly there, yes, yes, yes! And even though it's quite scary, it's quite fun as well.
Cape Horn for sailors, I suppose, like climbing Everest for somebody that does climbing. So it's a pretty symbolic place. Rasmus!
Well, I don't know if you can see behind me, but in the grey, misty clouds, there is Cape Horn. We're going round Cape Horn, everybody! It's been blowing 40 knots all night, and had some pretty hairy waves and a couple of jibes to get here, and it's been full on all night, and it's an amazing sight to